Day 2 of our camping adventure at Calaveras Big Trees National Park. Our day started super early. The kids were awake 6:30 in the morning and the weather was a bit cold. So the first thing everyone did was gather around the campfire. And guess what? Hot masala tea was already ready. There's something magic about early morning at campsite. The fresh. Look at the excitement of Ritu.
I like it. He was like, I want to do this. He was jumping.
These are awesome. The fresh mountain air, hot tea in your hand, sunlight slowly coming through the trees, and good company around you. Honestly, nothing can beat that feeling. We were enjoying our tea and warming ourselves in the beautiful sunlight. Deepa and her mom got head started on breakfast. And today's breakfast was hot and fluffy puris.
Summer. Yeah. Deepa, what's cooking, Deepa?
I'm making aloo puri today.
Huh.
So this is aloo curry, aloo kurma you can say.
Hello, auntie.
Hello.
Auntie is making aloo puri. Aloo sabzi. And let's see what is. Hello. Okay, what are you guys cooking?
Methi puri and
Yeah. Tina joined us this time. First time for camp. First camping.
we are at Calaveras State Park.
Here.
And we are at Calaveras Trees State Park. The second time we're camping here.
And how long have you been camping earlier?
Since 2014. About
12 years.
For roti, you can masala puri from Costco. This is masala roti from Costco, and we are trying to make puri out of it. Let's see how it comes out.
So let's check on puri.
The house is like
Looks like puri is getting ready. And we're almost ready to get started with our breakfast.
yeah.
While everyone is hungry and waiting for puri and sagu to be ready. Thanks to Tina for flipping the puris. The kids already started now. They're enjoying the puri.
You're coming on
We need to
YouTube,
make
live on
sure
YouTube.
kids
Asitanti's channel.
our stomach is full before we head on to our hike for the day. Let's see what the adults are doing. Shaker and all are enjoying the food. And now on to the boys. So let's see what they say about the puri. Let's ask Shaker's opinion about the puri. I'm sure he cannot say anything now.
Camping experience.
Methi puri with kurma, best camping food ever. Totally agree.
After breakfast, we head to the ranger program with the kids. The program is at 10 a.m. Today, rangers are teaching kids about getting ready for the safety and survival program.
Simple rule. You make a plan. Someone else that plan, and then this one's important. You stick to the plan. So let's see. That could look like I want to walk the North Grove Trail today. So I'm
While the kids were busy learning, the dads were just chilling and relaxing nearby. Typical camping dads.
Yeah. What is that, Ritu? What did you get? Are you a junior ranger now?
Show this bag.
Okay, show me. Wow, you're certified junior ranger now? Yeah.
After the
Congratulations.
program, we spent some time taking pictures because every corner of this place is beautiful. Then
Yeah.
we headed to the Meadows Trail.
Real excitement, not the fake one.
While walking, we were talking about our previous camping trip to Calaveras and remembering all the fun moments from last time. This was our second time.
Alia.
Like white flowers are there, Deepa, all the white flowers are there.
Same time. Yeah, same May.
And then we reached the famous giant tree. And you can see it's so tall that you look like a tiny ant in front of it. God. Nearby we saw a big stump. In 1853, this stump was cut to make stage for people to dance. This place is truly unbelievable. Seeing these massive giant sequoia trees in person makes you realize how small we really are. One of the biggest attractions of Calaveras is definitely these ancient giant trees from hundreds of years old. So we spent a lot of time taking a lot of pictures, walking around the giant trees and just enjoying the nature. The hike itself took us. This is a North Crew trail. So before you begin, grab a guide as it has all the stops and all the giant trees that you can see in different shape and form. So as this trail consists of boardwalk and dirt paths, and you'll see broken large giant tree
I think this
stumps,
is where you guys were standing at.
broken pieces.
Yeah.
Some of them also they've been burnt due to fire, but they still survive. And the kids really enjoyed here climbing those trees. And each tree is marked with a marker and numbered. And you just stand there and look up and stand in awe, experience the majestic look of these trees.
In video.
As you can see, they are so massive, tall, and almost reach the sky. And when you look up, you just stand there thinking how small you are. And this is a good time to take lots of pictures. And some trees you can see, as this one is a single tree but split into two as it hit the sky. And the kids love these places, climbing on these trees. And these stumps are awesome. As you walk through slowly, enjoying the nature. So it took almost 2.5 hours to cross this 1.5 hour mile trail, and everybody were hungry. So I came back to the camping site and started cooking some food. It's in the video. It's going viral.
It's getting close to 50s. Now it doesn't matter anymore.
Shopping skills.
But Tuttu is a good cooker.
Yeah.
Any comments so far about the camping experience?
Yeah. It's like instant coffee.
Huh?
Pretty good experience.
Pretty good experience.
I didn't expect this much.
Shopping.
So much cooking and all those things, right? He's getting cooked little
I
bit.
chopped down onions for
Is that a good thing or a bad thing? Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
It's a good thing.
Okay. Retraining or upskilling?
Every evening, the wife takes performance appraisals.
Oh, okay. So he has to keep it up.
To keep it up.
Nice job.
Motivate people. Hey, you are a good
Look
cooker.
at the
You are a good
cubes.
cooker.
Look at the cubes, almost square,
Yeah, very symmetric, man.
right?
Hey, good job.
Either a rectangle or square.
What rating?
That's it.
4 rating, 5 rating.
No, I think he should get like 10 out of 10.
Yeah, I mean,
Right?
get a good comment from manager. That's all.
Right, yeah. Well, he's got to set the no bar.
What are you cooking? ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾವಿನಕಾಯಿ ಚಿತ್ರಾನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಮಾವಿನಕಾಯಿ.
As we finished
Yaar
trail
ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು?
and came to the camping, we had one more family join us. That's Sharda and her kids.
Okay. Sharda is here. Hi Sharda. Hello auntie. Hello. You put it on holding. Yeah. Deepa, what are you doing?
I'm mixing the mango rice, which is made Bangalore style mango rice, which is sweet and sour.
So after the food, now
are you eating, Ma?
it's a game time.
And?
We played Chokabara. It's an Indian game. It's a Ludo style game, and everyone got super competitive. There was so much laughing, shouting, and fun while playing this game. It's time for some
Okay. What are you
snack
guys
time
doing?
and
Samar.
chai. So we started the
Ritu.
campfire with marshmallows and corn.
Samar. Samar, what is
And
that?
kids were
What are you guys
excited
doing?
and they were waiting for
guys
this
doing?
from day one. They got to do this, and
And what is the other
they're all
thing?
tired. And it's getting cold in the evening, and we're all circling around the campfire, enjoying the warm. As the night gets darker and cooler, the fun continued
No, you need.
with music and dancing. Everyone joined in, kids, parents, everyone. The kids especially had the best time dancing around and enjoying the campsite vibes. But the best part of the night was still waiting for us. So later in the evening, one more family joined us just before we started dancing. Shaila and Anil, they were so fun. They just started dancing with us. And the dance cannot stop without Rajnikant's dance. Lungi dance, lungi dance, lungi dance. And everybody was in groove. And that was our finale for the evening before we head out to stargazing.
Yeah.
Of course, the dance cannot end without the kids dancing to the tune of RRR songs. And both Ritu and Chris were totally in it, and we could see the excitement and laughter and smile on their face, and we enjoyed closing the night for the kids. One of the most beautiful experiences of camping is stargazing. Away from city lights, the sky looked absolutely stunning. So many stars, cool night breeze, peaceful silence all around. It was the perfect ending to an amazing day. And just like that, our day 2 came to an end around midnight. Tune in for our day 3 experience. Bye.